Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ich heiße Salome from Speak Fluent German, and this channel is all about helping you become confident and conversational in German. As you can see today, I'm in a different environment because I'm not at home. I'm in Zurich, Switzerland. This is my very first time in Zurich. Ich bin hier zum allerersten Mal, so I'm super excited about that. I'm even more excited about showing you around. So today is going to be my first attempt with vlogging. I've never really vlogged before, so bear with me here. I also don't really have a plan. Today is basically me discovering the city, taking you with me and showing you all the things that I see along the way. Maybe we're going to explain some new vocabulary as well. Later, I'm also going to meet a friend for coffee, so this is going to be really nice. So I'm really excited to take you along with me as I'm exploring the city. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Los geht's! Oh, ich habe heute richtig Glück mit dem Wetter. I'm so lucky with the weather today. Sun is shining. Awesome.
Zuerst gehen wir in den Supermarkt und schauen mal, welche sprachlichen Unterschiede wir dort finden. First, we'll go to the supermarket and see what kind of differences we can spot between Swiss Standard German and High Standard German. Die Baumnüsse bzw. die Walnüsse. Auf Hochdeutsch ist das die Paprika. Auf Schweizer Hochdeutsch nennt man das Pepperoni, die Zucchini und die Zucchetti. Das Brötchen, das Semmeli oder das Brötli. Die Trutenbrust oder die Putenbrust. Die Pouletbrust oder die Hähnchenbrust. Im Supermarkt seht ihr oft das Wort Poulet. Das kommt aus dem Französischen. So, als nächstes nehme ich euch mit in die Stadt. Next, we'll go to the city center by tram, die Straßenbahn oder auf Schweizer Hochdeutsch das Tram. Aber zuerst brauche ich eine Fahrkarte. First, I need a ticket. Die Fahrkarte. Das ist ein Fahrkartenautomat. Auf Schweizer Hochdeutsch ist eine Fahrkarte das Billet. Das ist eine Stadtkarte von Zürich. Die Stadtkarte. So, ich steige jetzt in die Straßenbahn oder auch das Tram. Zürich ist wirklich eine wunderschöne Stadt. Zurich is such a beautiful city. Highly recommend visiting if you get the chance. There are so many nice places to see and the people are super friendly and welcoming. Heute ist Samstag, deshalb ist in der Stadt richtig viel los. Das ist das Großmünster, eine romanische Kirche in der Altstadt von Zürich. Die Kirche ist the church. Right next to it is der Großmünsterplatz. Ich laufe jetzt über den Großmünsterplatz. Hier gibt es viele Geschäfte. Zum Beispiel Bekleidungsgeschäfte, Musikgeschäfte und vieles mehr. Da vorne seht ihr die Münsterbrücke. Die Brücke ist the bridge in German. In Zurich, you'll find a lot of these bridges. It's so beautiful. They go across the Limmat. Limmat is a river that runs through Zurich. It's so nice. That's why there are so many of these bridges and you can see boats everywhere. Es gibt überall Boote und es sieht einfach wunderschön aus. Ich liebe das Wasser. Right in front of us, you see the Frau Münster Church, die Frau Münster Kirche. And of course, Zurich has a lot of shops where you can buy watches. Swiss watches are world famous. Die Schweizer Uhren. Next, I went into a souvenir shop, der Souvenirladen. Here you can buy a lot of Swiss typical souvenirs. Die Kuckucksuhren zum Beispiel. These look really nice and handmade. Die Kuhglocken. Und natürlich die Schweizer Taschenmesser. Das Taschenmesser is the pocket knife. Next, I went to a restaurant to meet my friend, and this was a typical Swiss restaurant. It had lots of Swiss dishes, like for example Rösti. Rösti is a kind of Swiss hash brown, and also Spätzle, which are a sort of egg noodles. After ordering our food, we basically spent the rest of the time speaking about the differences between Standard German and Swiss Standard German. This is my friend who's also a German teacher. Definitely check out her Instagram. And this was our food. Rösti mit Bratwurst, Geschnetzeltes mit Rösti. Alright, after lunch I continued my discovery in Zurich. One more thing I've noticed is the word Velo. In High Standard German we would say das Fahrrad, but in Swiss Standard German it's das Velo. Das Velo. Also, the word for hairdresser is different. In Swiss Standard German we say Coiffeur, der Coiffeur. Versus in High Standard German, it's der Friseur.
I just finished my lunch with Christina and her sister. I'll put her Instagram details below as well. She has lived in Germany for a really long time and also studied there and has been living in Zurich for almost 8 years now. She posts a lot about the differences between High Standard German and Swiss German as well on her Instagram. So definitely give her a follow. And the whole lunch date, we've been basically talking about the differences and all the things that you kind of notice when you know or when you have learned High Standard German first, but then learn Swiss German. So that's been really interesting to kind of know more about her perspective. So if you have enjoyed this video, please give this a like, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because we'll be back with more content like this about the differences between High Standard German and Swiss German next week, because I'm going to meet with Naira, who is a German teacher here in Switzerland, and she'll be telling us more about this topic. I'm really excited for that, so hit the subscribe button, and that's it for today. Das ist alles für heute. Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen und bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!